Hello bachcho, let's see this question. So the question says find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given condition. So we have to find the equation of parabola for three exercises we have been given. And first we have been given focus and directrix. In second we have vertex and focus. And in third exercise we have vertex and a point from which the parabola passes and symmetricity of the parabola with respect to y-axis. So solving this question, we know that the key concept here we will use is such that there are four possible types of parabola that we discuss that are standard, right? So we will discuss the points such that if the parabola is of the form of y square equals to 4ax, or if the parabola is the form of y square equals to minus 4ax, then possible are x square equals to 4ay and x square equals to minus 4ay, right? These are the four types of parabola that we discuss as standard, and for each of them we will discuss the points that has been given to us. So focus for each of them is such that for y square equals to 4ax, focus is a comma 0, which we will denote as s. Then we have for y square equals to minus 4ax, focus is minus a comma 0. Then for x square equals to 4ay, focus is 0 comma a, and for x square equals to minus 4ay, focus is 0 comma minus a, right? Similarly, the equation of the directrix, so we can write directrix, and that would be for the first parabola we have x plus a equals to 0. Similarly, for y square equals to minus 4ax, directrix equation is x minus a equals to 0. For x square equals to 4ay, the equation of the directrix is y plus a equals to 0. And for x square equals to minus 4ay, the equation of the directrix is y minus a equals to 0. Right? Now, if we have been given to discuss about vertex, so vertex for each of them will be same, because they are parabola, and parabola vertex are standard parabola vertex are 0 comma 0, that is origin. So we can write here vertex will be same for each of them, that is 0 comma 0. And finally we have also been given the axis, because here it has been given symmetric with respect to y-axis, so we can write this axis by which the parabola are symmetric. So y square equals to 4ax graph will be symmetric about x-axis, right? So equation of x-axis is y equals to 0, that is x-axis. Similarly here y equals to 0, because y square equals to minus 4ax is also symmetric about x-axis. Now for x square equals to 4ay, it is symmetric about y-axis, and x square equals to minus 4ay, it is also symmetric about y-axis, right? Now using the points, we will find the equation of the parabola required. So solving this question further, for first exercise we have been given focus 6 comma 0 and directrix as x plus 6 equals to 0. We can write it in this way. Now if we compare, we will compare this by a comma 0 and this by x plus a equals to 0, right? And if we compare this to, we know we have here a comma 0 and x plus a equals to 0, so we have the equation is the form of equation of parabola is of the form of y square equals to 4ax, right? Now we can clearly observe the value of a, so we can say since a is equals to 6, therefore equation is y square equals to 4 into 6 into x, right? and that would be y square equals to 24x. So this is the solution for the first part. Now solving for second exercise, we have been given vertex which is same for all, that is 0 comma 0, right? And we have been given focus minus 2 comma 0. Now we have to compare, so we will compare this. Vertex is same, so a 0 comma 0, but focus is such that we can compare this by minus a comma 0, right? Now if we check the key concepts, we have minus a comma 0 over here, so we have the equation of the form of y square equals to minus 4ax. Therefore we will write here, so equation of parabola is of the form of y square equals to minus of 4ax, right? And we can clearly observe that the focus or the value of a is 2, right? Because minus a equals to minus 2, so a is equals to 2, so equation will be y square is equals to minus 4 into 2 into x. That means equation is y, we can write it here, y square equals to minus 8x. So this is the second parabola. Now for the third exercise, we have been given vertex, that is 0 comma 0. We have been given a point from which the parabola passes through, so we can write point on parabola, that is 5 comma 2, and we have been given that axis of symmetry, right? So axis we can write as y-axis is x equals to 0, right? Now if we have to compare, we have the points required, that is here a 0 comma 0 we have to compare, and axis is x equals to 0, that we can compare with y-axis, and we have a passing point. Now let us see these 2 points first. So if we check here, we have symmetric about y-axis, that means x equals to 0, that means this and this, right? These two possible equations of the parabola will be used. Now we have been given vertex is same for both, so we will find the equation using the point which lies on the parabola. So we will use this equation and put the point on it such that we have the required equation of the parabola. So solving this question further, so equation of parabola is of the form of x square equals to 4ay, right? Now putting 5 comma 2 in the equation, we have x square, that would be 5 square is equals to 4 into a into 2, right? Solving this, we have a is equals to 5 square is 25, 4 into 2 is 8, right? So a is 25 by 8, therefore equation is x square equals to 4 into 25 by 8 into y, 4 2's are 8, and therefore the equation becomes 2x square equals to 25y, right? So this is the final equation required. So we have the final answer, that is for the first case, for the first exercise, we have final answer as y square equals to 24x. For the second, we have y square equals to minus 8x, and for the third, the final answer is 2x square is equals to 25y. So hope this is understood well. Thank you. and best of luck.